Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning the array. So what is the array? I know you have already know in a variable we are able to save only one value, but in the array we are able to save more than one values of the same data type in a variable. So first of all, here I'm gonna declare a array in which we are able to store the integer values. Here first of all write the integer and then the square brackets and then variable name. Here I'm going to write Fahd, and then we need to write new and then integer, and here in between these square brackets we need to write how many values we want to store in the array. You can write any size of the array. Here I'm going to write 10, then semicolon. And this Fahd variable is a array because it have the capacity of storing 10 values, and it is also the reference. And what is the reference? Let's see in the next lectures. This statement declare the space for the 10 values, and now I am gonna store the values in this Fahd array. So there is something called index. So what is the index? We are able to store one value on each index in this array. This array has the size 10, so it have the 10 indexes, and each index contain only one value. Array index is always start from 0 and the last index is 1 less than the size. It have the 10 size, so its last index is 9. So now here I'm gonna save the value. First of all write the Fahd array name and then square brackets, and in this we need to write the index. Here I'm gonna write 0 and then equal and then write any value of type integer, and here is the one index and in which I'm gonna store 60, one index. And now here I'm gonna create another. Like this you have to write the value for the third index, fourth, fifth and sixth, and now I'm gonna write the value for the last index. You can give any value to this index of type integer. Here I'm gonna write 9, that is the last index. And now let's print the value of the indexes. Here is the sys out. First of all write Fahd, and then we need to write the square brackets, and then in between these we need to write the index. Here I'm gonna write 2. So now let's execute it, and here you see that at the 2 index the 60 is stored, and now I'm gonna write 9. And now let's execute it, and here is the 30. The 30 is stored at the 9 index, and if we write the invalid index, that is 50, because we have the last index 9, and it gives us error. And we have also an alternative to declare and initialize the array. Here I'm going to remove this, and after writing the array name we need to write the brackets and then semicolon, and then in between these brackets we need to write the value for the first index, second index, third index. First of all here I'm gonna write the 3 value for the 0 index, 60 value for the first index, 800 value for the second index. And now I'm gonna print the values. Here is the sys out, and here I'm gonna write Fahd, then square brackets and then write the index, and here is the 2 index, so it have the value 800. And if we write the 3 index, the 3 index have not any value, so it print the error. So this is the way of handling the array. If you have any problems, so kindly add the discussion on Udemy. I will help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video, that is about to handle the string array.